Kukhunjulwa emva eminyakeni lenge-35 lengcile kulenzawo esigameko sekuphahlatheka kwendiza. Imindeni solo ayikhohlwa lokho lokwendeka kanti-ke solo isafuna kwathi ngalokho lokwendeka lokwaholela kulesigameko. Graça Machel ucelela usha ukuthi lusebenze ngokuthi khandla kude ukuthi ungalahleki umlando lawo bebakulendiza futhi bakhona nokushintsha impilo yabantu bonke. Mengameli Ramaphosa uthi Machel wabulawa kanzi ubese uthembisa ukuqinisekisa ukuthula kulesigodzi.
As people of Mozambique and South Africa, we want still to know the truth. Yet while there is much that we do not know about the circumstances of this tragedy, we are certain of its meaning and the responsibility that it places on our shoulders.
Ramaphosa uthembise ukuchubeka nekusekela kulisana netiphekulathi khune enyakatho yaseMozambique. Mengameli walela live lemakhelwane Philip News ukumukele kuvale tindzaba leti. Kanti ke lamavela amabili solo achubeke njalo nekuba nebudlelwane lobuhle.